Hello friends, today I'm going to make bottlegourd Raita. For this we need 250 to 300 gram of grated bottlegourd. Pour some water in a deep vessel. Bring it to boil. Transfer the grated bottlegourd into the boiling water. Let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes. And then switch off the flame. Cover the lid for 2 minutes. Strain the water and keep it aside. In a clean vessel, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of bottlegourd. Add curd as per the desired consistency. I've taken 150 to 200 gram of curd. To this, add dry spices. I have added fried cumin powder, salt as per the taste, and 1/4 teaspoon of paprika powder. You may add black pepper powder if you like the flavor. Mix well. Can be served with roti or rice. Thanks for watching. Please do share and subscribe if you like the content.